All right, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test with the microphones on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. All right, so all the audio for this video you guys and gals are seeing here today is being recorded with the onboard microphones on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. And in particular, we're going to do this in two different scenarios. So this first scenario here is testing out the microphones in an ideal noise-free environment, okay, or as quiet as I can get it. Now it's kind of hot, so I got the fan on, so please excuse that. And then I have simulated crowd noise pulled up on my Roku here, and we're going to use that to test out the microphones in a simulated noisy environment. All right? So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So this whole video so far has been testing the microphones in an ideal or as close to I can get it noise-free environment. Now let me go ahead and push play on the crowd noise. Okay, crowd noise is going. Let me let it play for a little bit. Okay, that's good. And now I'm just going to talk normally. And this will give you an idea of how good the mics are on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro in a crowded environment. All right, and just for reference, I have my TV volume set to about 18%. Okay, so hopefully the microphones on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are doing a great job isolating my voice over the surrounding sounds and noises. Okay, so that pretty much does it for the testing. Let's stop the crowd noise now. Boop. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for the video. Okay? Now, before we get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know how I have everything set up, because y'all know I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here and being as completely transparent as I can be. So recording this video here today, we are using the primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This is being recorded in 720p at 30 frames per second, and we are using the Pro mode inside of the Samsung Galaxy camera application. I'm going to throw up B-roll right now, letting y'all see that I do have the earbuds connected, and letting y'all see that we did jump into the Galaxy camera application, jump over to Video Pro mode, and then all I did was switch the audio to be picked up by the Bluetooth audio that's connected to the device. That is how I got the audio for this video, okay? Just want to let y'all see that. That's why we throw up that B-roll, just so y'all know how everything is set up. That being said, that does it for this video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and or I hope you found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. If you do, please make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this coverage piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can see more coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, all of my coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro will be linked up down below in the video description, along with affiliated purchasing links. So if this video piqued your interest and you want to pick up the earbuds for yourself, all the links to where y'all can see the continued coverage, as well as links to where you can pick up the earbuds at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description. And as I said, those are affiliated links, so I do get a small percentage of kickback when y'all use those links at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So in my opinion, that makes those affiliated links a win-win for everyone. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals and you should be good to go. Also, don't forget to please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and what you think of the overall video in general. Please leave all of your feedback down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. And just remember to keep it respectful, please. All right? I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Peace, everybody. Have a good one.